After a day's use, you want to turn your toaster off. To clean your toaster, you're going to want to put it into a cool down mode. To do that, you're going to push the setting button and the 2 down buttons at the same time. You're going to push them in and hold them. This will put your toaster into a 15-minute cool down. It will shut off your heaters. Your motors and fans will still run. After the 15 minutes, you can go ahead and open up your unit and clean. Once your unit is completely cooled down, you're going to want to first clean your Teflon sheet. To do that, you remove the front lid and you take out your Teflon bar with your Teflon attached. You're going to lay this flat for cleaning. Once you have removed your Teflon sheet and laid it flat on a countertop, you're going to want to remove the Teflon bar. Once removed, you're going to want to take a towel. You don't want to use any abrasive pads or abrasive chemicals, and do not submerge this Teflon in water. Once you have it flat, go ahead and get your towel. Just go across it back and forth. Do not scrub or scrape if there's anything built up. Next, you're going to clean your conveyor belts. To do that, you want to take the same damp wet cloth, no abrasive chemicals or abrasive surfaces. You're going to go ahead and wipe the front of the belt. Go ahead and pull your conveyor down and wipe the back. And then you want to go ahead and wipe your platen down. After you've cleaned your front conveyor, you're going to want to do the same thing to the back conveyor. After both sides are clean, you're going to want to put your Teflon sheet back in. To do so, just slide your Teflon sheet in the front and the back, and make sure your Teflon bar sits on top. Before putting your conveyor up, you want to always make sure after every cleaning that your drive shaft is fully engaged. To do so, you want to make sure just to check to make sure that it is always pushed to the control board side. Once you do that, go ahead and put your conveyor up and close your unit. Next, you want to remove your dishwasher safe bun tray. Take that off, go ahead and put it in your dish station. Next, with a damp cloth, you don't want to have too much water, or you don't want to spray the unit down completely. Just use a damp cloth just to wipe the fronts and the sides and the back. Once your bun tray comes out of the dishwasher, reattach it to your toaster and your unit is clean.